Hey guys, welcome back. It's great to see you all again. Today I'm sharing some easy tips to help you prevent back pain. These tips are simple yet effective, and you can start implementing them right away. Whether you're working from home, hitting the gym, or just going about your day, these tips can make a huge difference. Back pain can be a real hindrance, but with a few adjustments, you can keep it at bay. Let's dive in. First off, posture. It's super important. When sitting, ensure your back is straight, shoulders relaxed, and feet flat on the floor. This might seem basic, but it's the foundation of a healthy back. When sitting, ensure your back is straight, shoulders relaxed, and feet flat on the floor. This helps maintain the natural curve of your spine and reduces strain. Adjust your chair and computer screen so you're not slouching. A good rule of thumb is to keep your screen at eye level and your elbows at a 90-degree angle. Trust me, your back will thank you. Next, let's talk about lifting. Always bend at your knees, not your waist. This technique is crucial to avoid putting unnecessary pressure on your lower back. Always bend at your knees, not your waist. This way, your legs do the heavy lifting, not your back. Keep the object close to your body and avoid twisting. Twisting while lifting can cause serious injuries. This helps distribute the weight more evenly and reduces strain on your back. Simple but effective. Simple but effective. Now, on to exercise. Strengthening your core muscles can significantly reduce back pain. A strong core supports your spine and helps maintain good posture. Strengthening your core muscles can significantly reduce back pain. Your core includes your abs, obliques, and lower back muscles. Include exercises like planks, bridges, and leg raises in your routine. These exercises target multiple muscle groups and improve overall stability. Even just 10 minutes a day can help. Consistency is key, so try to make it a daily habit. Give it a try. Stretching is also key. Incorporate stretches that target your back, hamstrings, and hip flexors. Stretching helps maintain flexibility and reduces muscle tension. Incorporate stretches that target your back, hamstrings, and hip flexors. These areas are often tight and can contribute to back pain. The cat-cow stretch and child's pose are great options. These stretches gently mobilize your spine and relieve tension. Stretching keeps your muscles flexible and relaxed, reducing tension in your back. Don't forget about ergonomics. Make sure your workspace is set up to support good posture. Ergonomics play a huge role in preventing back pain, especially if you spend long hours at a desk. Make sure your workspace is set up to support good posture. This includes your chair, desk, and computer setup. Use a chair with proper lumbar support and consider a standing desk if possible. These adjustments can make a big difference in your comfort and health. Small adjustments can make a big difference. Hydration is often overlooked, but it's crucial. Staying hydrated helps maintain the elasticity of your spinal discs. Your spinal discs need water to stay healthy and function properly. Staying hydrated helps maintain the elasticity of your spinal discs. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Keep that water bottle handy. Keep that water bottle handy. Finally, listen to your body. If you're experiencing persistent back pain, don't ignore it. Pain is your body's way of telling you something is wrong. If you're experiencing persistent back pain, don't ignore it. Seek professional advice from a healthcare provider. Seek professional advice from a healthcare provider. Early intervention can prevent more serious issues down the line. Early intervention can prevent more serious issues down the line. And there you have it. Simple, actionable tips to prevent back pain. Take care of your back, and it will take care of you. Simple, actionable tips to prevent back pain. Take care of your back, and it will take care of you. Take care of your back, and it will take care of you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more health tips. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more health tips. Thanks for watching and stay healthy. See you next time. Thanks for watching and stay healthy. See you next time.